Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. As ever, you can find me over on Instagram at the House of Langford and at Overall Sews. I'm also on Ravelry as Mad X Stitcher, and it is the end of August, which means it's time for the next Crochet Society subscription box. So this is box 44. Yeah, 44. So we've started getting glimpses of what they look like before they actually ship to us. And this looks slightly different to the picture that I saw though. So this is this month's box, and it's got lots of autumnal bits and bobs on here. So there's some pumpkins, we've got some really nice leaves going on. There's a lot of rose gold on this one though. Can we see? Yeah, so let's get it open, shall we? Okay, so leaves are falling, crochet is calling. So there's stuffing in here as well. So let's see. Although this is jam-packed. This is jam-packed stuff. So we've got a ball of stuffing. There's not an awful lot there though, but we did get a lot in the last one. Oh wow, there are 6 colours, 6 balls of yarn. And there's a little pom-pom, which tells me there might be a hat. So we'll have a look. What is this? Let me put the box down because I'm not going to be able to hold it whilst talking to you. So, it's like a pencil case. It's got the same print as the box. It's actually got 3 zippy compartments. So if I pull the first one down, we've got elastic there so we can pop our hooks in there. Then the middle one is like your standard pencil case opening. And then on the other side, we've got 2 pockets here and then 2 netted pockets here as well. So it's good for storing like all your little bits and bobs, like things like scissors, needles, stitch markers. So it's quite handy that everything can all go in one place. So I think I will probably be using this pretty much straight away because I'm always taking crochet with me everywhere. So we have then 6 balls of yarn. So let me grab the first 2. So it's Confection DK, but they've changed the ball bands so they match the box. So this is marshmallow. It's more like a parchment colour. It's like an off cream colour, like an oatmeal. Then we have raspberry sour, which is like your blue, like raspberry sour sweets, I guess, or like the raspberry slush puppies you can get. It's that kind of blue. And then this one is sour fizz, so it's more like an appley colour. And then we have watermelon, which we've had before. We've had watermelon before. And then finally wine gums, which we had in the Christmas advent as well. So we've got 6 balls. So they are all 50 grams each. So that is 300 grams of yarn for this month. But there's still more in here. We have our usual stitch marker, and this one is a pumpkin, which is really cute. We have a crochet hook, a 4.5 hook in tones of red with some white speckles. And then we have our book for this month. So it's designed by Kate Rowell. No, it's not designed, I don't know. That's who now does who curates the boxes. So it says, your wonderfully cozy autumn crochet society box. So excited for you to get this box in your hands and enjoy a little escape to your yarny happy place. I've designed all the patterns in this box to be fun, quick and satisfying to crochet, and I really hope you love making them. So we have pumpkins. Everybody loves a pumpkin. We have a hat. I said there was a hat, didn't I? And then Cozy Corner, which is a C2C crochet cushion. But then also we have a bonus pattern, which is a hexie blanket. So these are our projects in this box. Then we have Tea and Chat with Jellybean Junction, who is Kate, who has designed this box and the patterns for this month. There's a treats page, how to do C2C, different yarn ideas, and then we have our page, which it shows us what other people have made from the boxes. So there's our Tea and Chat page. First off, we have the perfect pumpkins. It's fall into autumn with these adorable little pumpkins. Quick and easy way to bring the new season into your home. So Kate is Jellybean_Junction on Instagram. Now I've been following Kate for a little while now, so they're going to be really, really cute to work up actually. They look really quick compared to the ones that I usually do. So we'll have a go at those. Oh, and this one's actually squares. It's like a checkerboard pattern, which is quite cool. This one is striped, and then this one's like a checkerboard, which is really clever. Then we've got our page for everything that's in our box this month. We have our cozy cushion. Now I'm going to cover up because that's the chart for it. So our cozy cushion. So it is stranded C2C to make up an image. They're usually called Grafgans. We also have just the plain back for it in stripes. And there's information here on how to change colours as well. And then we have options for similar yarn to the Confection DK. So you have Yarn Smith's Create, Drops Charisma, King Cole Comfort, Rico Essentials Merino, Shepier's Soft Fun, and Stylecraft Bellissima. So there's quite a few options that are similar. Then we have Bracken Beanie, which is a striped beanie, uses pretty much all the colours. It has this interesting pattern on it. And then we have a page that has makes that other people have done from the boxes. So there is one of the one of the bottle covers. There's a blanket, scarf. There is the lattice pouch, which I still haven't done actually. I need to get on with that. There's a little cowl that we had in a few boxes ago, and then we have another scarf and the turtle. And I've recently made the turtles, and they are one of the cutest things I think I've made from these boxes. So we also have our bonus pattern, which is the hexie blanket. So you make lots of different hexagons in all the colours, and that can be used with stash as well. It's only, how many rounds is it? 6 rounds. 6 rounds for a hexagon, and you don't need an awful lot of yarn for that either. Oh, that's funky. So the last page in the book is the next box, which I think comes out in November, or will be shipped to us in, no, shipped to us in October, and it looks a little bit Christmassy. So that'll be interesting to see what the patterns are for that box. Doesn't say on here who is curating that one, but I'm sure we'll find out soon. So I think actually, looking at all the patterns, I think I'm definitely going to try the pumpkins because it's a slightly different technique that I've used to what I've used before. And I might actually have a go at the hexie blanket because I haven't made one yet. And it's been on my list of things to do for a while now. And I did pull out some yarn cakes to make something honeycomb based. So that would actually be really good to use that one. So yeah, that is our box for this month. I'm going to pop everything back in so we can see what we have. So we didn't actually need stuffing for this month, but we do have a little bit more. So it always comes in handy having that stuffing, because as I've said in the past, some of the projects don't have enough to make the larger version. So it's nice to have the option and use bits and pieces from other boxes as well. So this is everything from this month's box. Now I think, yeah, I'm going to have a go at the pumpkins, I think, and then have a go at the hexie blanket. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of this yarn, but I am now building up quite a stash of the Confection DK, and I've got a plan to try and make a granny square blanket with them all. So watch this space, you never know, you might see something else being worked up in this yarn. But yes, so that is this month's Crochet Society subscription box by Kate Rowell, who is Jellybean Junction. And as always, I'm not sponsored, affiliated or endorsed in any way. I just buy the subscription and like to do an unboxing so you can see what is inside. So yeah, I quite like the autumnal colours. I do usually go for brights, but I do like the autumnal. So yeah, looking forward to working them up. I'll see you again next time. Take care. Bye.